Well, you're considering filing for bankruptcy relief, and you've seen the signs on the telephone poles that say they can erase bankruptcy from your credit report. My name is Andy Foreman. I'm a business and consumer bankruptcy lawyer in Tampa, Florida, and I deal with these issues day in and day out. And the bad news is those signs are a misconception. They are a lie. Because the Fair Credit Reporting Act, the federal statute which governs credit reporting, provides for what can get on and what gets off your credit report. There are two sections to the credit report, and the Fair Credit Reporting Act provides that your trade creditors are going to list your bankruptcy on their trade items. They're also, on the official record section of the report, going to have the date of your bankruptcy, the case number, the amount of liabilities, and the date of your discharge. Anybody who wants to charge you a fee to remove a bankruptcy from your credit report is involved in probably illegal activity. They're certainly involved in a misleading event, because bankruptcy cannot be removed from your credit report. Your efforts are best spent rebuilding your credit from an accurate credit report. My name is Andy Foreman. Good luck rebuilding your credit.